If you sell digital resources on Teachers Pay Teachers, one of the most important steps before uploading is flattening your product. It keeps your fonts, graphics, and layouts locked in place so no one can lift, edit, or accidentally change your work. Today, I'll show you exactly how to flatten using both PowerPoint and Google Slides. Quick, clean, and updated for 2025. Let's start with Google Slides. Open your browser and head to slides.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, just create it so your work automatically saves. Once you're on the Slides homepage, you can either open an existing presentation or click blank to start fresh. Templates work too if you already use one for your product layout. With your file open, go to the top left and click File. From that drop-down, choose Download and then select PDF. That's the magic step. Saving it as a PDF instantly flattens the entire document. Text, images, shapes, everything becomes static and locked in place. No loose fonts or editable clip art. Now, let's talk PowerPoint. Open your file just like normal. Go to File, choose Save As or Export, and select PDF as the format. Again, that one step converts each slide into a secure, uneditable layout. If you use custom fonts or layered graphics, exporting as a PDF ensures nothing shifts or gets replaced on someone else's device. Once your PDF is saved, that's your flattened version, ready to upload to TPTiki with peace of mind. You can list it confidently, knowing the layout will appear exactly how you designed it, and buyers won't be able to pull elements apart. Flattening isn't just about protection, it also creates a more professional viewing experience, prevents formatting loss, and keeps your branding intact. If this helped you, stick around the channel for more TPT creator tips, design walkthroughs, and product prep how-tos. Drop your questions in the comments and let me know what you want covered next. Keep creating and keep your work secure.